Salibonani Mthwakazi ngusizwe lo okhulumayo ngilibingelela lonke kumagumamane wonke omhlaba lapha lingabe likhona Mthwakazi. I'm just taking a couple of minutes here ukuthi ngikhulume mayelana lendaba yama benefits awesikhwama sesizwe. Mthwakazi siyavumelana yini sonke ukuthi isizwe sika Mthwakazi sona ngwaso our biggest pandemic inkinga yethu enkulu kakhulu ibuyanga as a nation. Okay? Siyavumelana yini Mthwakazi ukuthi silabantu abadala sinama seniors amaningi within our nation that today probably do not earn any pension, do not earn any income whatsoever, regardless of how many years they would have worked for any of the companies that they worked for, which eventually closed in one form or another. Siyavumelana yini Mthwakazi ukuthi we have a big problem as far as our institutions are concerned, or the institutions that are currently controlling our lives are concerned. Those institutions are in the most cases not working in our best interest. Kasisebenzeli amalungelo ethu. Siyavumelana yini Mthwakazi xa ngikhuluma ngama institutions, I am talking about schools, I'm talking about hospitals, I'm talking about the transport industry. I'm talking about every institution out there Mthwakazi that you can think of. I'm talking about banks, where nxa ungumthwakazi ule business, you want to walk into a bank and be able to have access to money, and be able to have access to loans, and be able to have access to grants, to have access to to sponsorships, to all sorts of monies that will help you to grow in your business. Siyavumelana yini ukuthi those opportunities do not exist right now for isizwe sika Mthwakazi. Abantwana bakithi abaningi, very intelligent young people who could be engineers, who could be doctors, who could be who could be teachers, who could be in all sorts of professions out there, mechanics, plumbers, who could be carpenters, who could be anything out there. Right now, they have very little options because Isikhwama Sesizwe. Siyavumelana yini Mthwakazi ukuthi we have so many artists. I look and I listen to my social media all around, and I hear beautiful music, and I see beautiful movie clips, drama clips from amazing talents as Mthwakazi, as I'm musicians, as I'm film directors, as I'm actors Mthwakazi, and yet no one out there has been able to assist our entertainment industry, as a matter of fact, to be as significant to the rest of the world as other nations are and their actors. Nxa sivumelana kukho konke lokhu Mthwakazi, Isikhwama Sesizwe, its intention is to provide these benefits. How does Isikhwama Sesizwe provide these benefits Mthwakazi? It is going to provide these benefits in the form of programs and projects once Cecilia Mad. And the formula that we are using right now, Mthwakazi, Yiguti Siditina, as opposed to waiting with a begging basket, with begging hands, stelama donations and all sorts of stuff. Siditina, let us dip into our pockets, or dive into our pockets. Sikhupheni, sinikeleni ngesila, whether it is $10 or whether it is $20 or $100, what you can afford. Sinikeleni Mthwakazi, sakeni umnotho wesizwe sika Mthwakazi. Once we have raised the capital that is significant enough to represent any major investment that could be shown as an investment and qualified or justified as a national investment, then we can go out there and access that investment using the best wealth managers in the world. Esikufunayo Mthwakazi yikuthi sakhe umnotho wesizwe sika Mthwakazi ozaqhutshwa, kumbe ngithi uqhubeke usondliwa njalo sakhiwa langabazukulu la izizukulwana zethu in the next 10, 15, 20, 30, 100 generations to come. That does not exist today. How beautiful would it be, Mthwakazi, if we could be in a position where we had a trust fund where all our senior citizens at the age of 65 or at the age of 70 or at the age of 80 could actually find themselves behola out of Isikhwama Sesizwe sikaMthwakazi just because bangumthwakazi. How amazing would it be, Mthwakazi, ukuthi singumthwakazi all around the world sizibone silezikolo okuthiwa ngezikaMthwakazi ukuthi ungene khona kumele uqize ugide le ngoma zikaMthwakazi, but you're going to come out there a doctor, a scientist, you're going to come out there a carpenter, you're going to come out there a plumber, you're going to come out there a business person, you're going to come out there an entrepreneur of one form or another. How beautiful would it be? How about if you could walk into a bank uthungela mali, what was you've got the amazing or one of the most amazing ideas as a business, a specific business that you have a passion for, but you now have the ability ukuthi ungene a bank uthi mina ngiwunqube kumbe ngingusithole kumbe ngingusibanda, and here is my plan, my business plan, or here is my small business. This is what it has been doing over the past 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Now I want you to help me to take it from point A to point F. And you know when you give your story to that bank, because you bank ikamthwakazi, it will make you a priority and will empower you by financing you to grow your business. How amazing would that be, Mthwakazi? When our children can go to Isikhwama and at the end of the year we receive results that we have a 100% pass rate. We receive results where we have graduates in all fields that have passed as professionals of one field or another. Mthwakazi, konke lokhu ku-possible ngathi sisakha Isikhwama Sesizwe. Kube khona njalo Mthwakazi ama-issues kaMthwakazi where Mthwakazi has been a victim of numerous genocides, most notably the colonial genocide and then the post-colonial genocides. Then sibuye sikhulume njalo nge-cultural disintegration eyenzakala kuMthwakazi throughout the multi-ethnicities zikaMthwakazi in the diverse languages that we have kusizwe sikaMthwakazi. We are losing our languages, we are losing our culture, we are losing our heritage. And all that kusenziwa ikwehluleka kwethu ikungabi lesikhwama kwethu lokungaqoqeki kwethu as a nation, as isizwe. Mthwakazi, all our problems can be resolved ngokuthi silomnotho, sile mali esingayisebenzisa ukuthi sizimele lezo ndubo kumbe lezo nhlupho esiphakathi kwazo. And it is not only about indubo and nhlupho, it is also about our ambitions to become better people, our ambitions to grow and to be empowered, to also be competitive against other nations. Ukuthi nxa simi eceleni kwezinye izizwe, doesn't matter, it is the Jews, the Chinese, it is ngamaTswana, eBotswana, South Africa, ngamaZulu, it doesn't matter which nation you are speaking of. We must be able to stand at par with any other nation. Lathi sikhulumele sethu isizwe ngamandla njalo silapho ukuthi senelise ukuzimela, because we would be having the power that is equal or better than those that would be negotiating. Yikho-ke Mthwakazi engithengize ngakho namuhla, asakheni umnotho wesizwe sikaMthwakazi. Together we can, yes, together we can. Ngiyabonga Mthwakazi. I hope You know, it's been a great conversation, and I hope you enjoyed this video.